welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover 10 unbelievable space facts that will leave you in awe. From scorching planets to singing black holes, the universe is full of surprises that challenge our understanding of the cosmos and ignite our curiosity. So, buckle up, space cadets, as we embark on a journey to explore the mind-boggling wonders that lie beyond our pale blue dot. Let's get started. You'd think that Mercury, being closest to the Sun, would be the hottest planet, but you'd be wrong. Venus takes the heat, and it's all thanks to its atmosphere. Imagine a thick blanket of carbon dioxide so dense it traps heat like a runaway greenhouse. That's Venus. This runaway greenhouse effect sends temperatures soaring to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Poor Mercury, on the other hand, has practically no atmosphere to speak of. So while it gets blasted by the sun, it also loses that heat quickly, leading to some pretty extreme temperature swings. It's a cosmic lesson in the power of a good atmosphere, or in Venus's case, a bad one. Here on Earth, we take for granted that a day is shorter than a year. But on Venus, things get weird. This planet spins so slowly that it takes a whopping 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. That's longer than it takes Venus to orbit the Sun. Yep, you heard that right. A year on Venus lasts only 225 Earth days. So, imagine celebrating your birthday every 225 days, but having to wait another 18 to see the sun rise again. Talk about a long day. This bizarre phenomenon is due to Venus's incredibly slow rotation, a mystery that continues to puzzle scientists. It just goes to show, the universe is full of surprises, especially when you're talking about a planet as strange and wonderful as Venus. Ever wondered what happens when a massive star dies? It explodes in a supernova, leaving behind an incredibly dense object called a neutron star. These cosmic remnants are mind-bogglingly compact, cramming more mass than our sun into a sphere just 12 miles across. To put that into perspective, imagine squeezing all the people on Earth into a single teaspoon. That's the kind of density we're talking about. This extreme density means that a teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. That's heavier than Mount Everest. Neutron stars are truly some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They're like giant atomic nuclei, held together by immense gravity. Studying them helps us understand the fundamental nature of matter and the incredible forces at play in the cosmos. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, as the saying goes. But what about a whole planet made of diamonds? Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth located 40 light-years away. This planet is twice the size of Earth and 8 times as massive, and its composition is truly dazzling. You see, 55 Cancri E is primarily made of carbon, and under the immense pressure and heat deep within the planet, that carbon crystallizes into a giant diamond. Imagine the sparkle. This cosmic bling puts even the Hope Diamond to shame. Scientists estimate its value at a staggering $26.9 non-alien. That's a 26 with 30 zeros after it. We've all heard of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, but it pales in comparison to Olympus Mons, a colossal volcano on Mars. This behemoth is the largest volcano in our solar system, towering 13.6 miles high. That's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Now, imagine a mountain so wide that its base could cover the entire state of Arizona. That's Olympus Mons. This massive shield volcano was formed by ancient lava flows that erupted over millions of years. It's a testament to the powerful geological forces that shaped the red planet. Just imagine the view from the top. Of course, with an atmosphere as thin as Mars's, you'd need a spacesuit to survive the experience. The Moon, our celestial companion, has been with us for billions of years. It has witnessed the birth and evolution of life on Earth, casting its gentle glow on countless nights. But did you know it's slowly drifting away from Earth? This fascinating phenomenon is a result of complex gravitational interactions. It's true. Due to tidal interactions between Earth and the Moon, our lunar neighbor is moving about 1.5 inches farther away each year. These tidal forces are like invisible strings, pulling and pushing the Moon in its orbit. That might not seem like much, but over millions of years it adds up. Imagine the Moon's position millions of years ago compared to now. The difference is significant. This gradual drift will have some interesting consequences. It will alter the way we experience the night sky, and even affect life on Earth. For one, It means that in the distant future, total solar eclipses will become a thing of the past. The moon will no longer be able to completely cover the sun, changing the way we witness this celestial event. The moon will appear smaller in the sky, and it won't be able to completely block out the sun anymore. This will transform our understanding and observation of solar eclipses. The moon's drift will also affect Earth's rotation, slowing it down and lengthening our days. This gradual change will have a profound impact on our planet's future. So, while we still have it, let's appreciate the beauty of our celestial companion and the incredible cosmic dance that binds us together. The moon's presence is a reminder of the intricate and ever-changing nature of our universe. Calling all beer enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered if the universe has its own version of a brewery? Did you know there's a massive cloud of alcohol floating in space? It's true. This isn't science fiction, it's a cosmic reality. Sagittarius B2, a giant molecular cloud near the center of the Milky Way, contains billions of liters of ethyl alcohol, the same kind we use to make beer. Imagine a cloud so vast it could fill countless breweries on Earth. This cosmic brewery is so immense that it could fill 400 trillion pints of beer. That's an astronomical amount of booze. To put it in perspective, that's enough to quench the thirst of every person on Earth for billions of years. Imagine the ultimate cosmic party. Now, before you get any ideas about space travel for a cosmic happy hour, I should mention that this alcohol isn't exactly drinkable. It's not like you can just pop a bottle and enjoy. It's mixed in with other molecules and spread out over a vast region of space. Extracting it would be a monumental task. Still, it's a fascinating reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and sometimes those surprises smell a lot like a brewery. So next time you raise a glass, think about the cosmic wonders out there. Black holes are notorious for their insatiable appetites, devouring anything that gets too close. But did you know they can also sing? Well, sort of. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Perseus galaxy cluster emits pressure waves that propagate through the hot gas surrounding it. These waves, when translated into sound, produce a note that astronomers have identified as a B-flat. There's a catch, though. This cosmic concert is playing at a frequency 57 octaves below middle C, making it far too deep for human ears to hear. It's the lowest note ever detected from an object in the universe. So, while we can't exactly add black hole music to our playlists, it's still pretty cool to know that even the most enigmatic objects in the cosmos have a rhythm of their own. The Sun, our life-giving star, is a truly massive object. It contains 99.86% of all the mass in our solar system. That's right, all the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets combined only make up a tiny fraction of the Sun's total mass. To put that into perspective, the Sun is about 330,000 times more massive than Earth. It's so large that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. The Sun's immense gravity holds our entire solar system together, keeping all the planets in orbit. It's a constant reminder of the incredible forces at play in the universe and the sheer scale of the cosmos. We often think of space as vast and empty, a seemingly endless void that stretches out in all directions. And while it's true that the distances between objects in space are mind-bogglingly large, it's also full of surprises and fascinating facts that can change our perspective. For instance, did you know that you could fit all the planets in our solar system between Earth and the Moon? It's true. This might sound unbelievable, but let's break it down. The average distance between Earth and the Moon is about 238,900 miles. Or roughly 384,000 kilometers. If you were to line up all the planets side by side, their combined diameters would be less than that distance. This includes the gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, as well as the smaller rocky planets like Mercury and Mars. You could even squeeze in Pluto, which was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Despite its smaller size, it still fits comfortably within this vast expanse. This fun fact highlights the vastness of even the seemingly short distances in space. It's a mind-bending concept that makes us appreciate the scale of our solar system. It's a reminder that the universe is full of empty space, but it's also teeming with incredible objects, all locked in a delicate cosmic dance. From the smallest asteroid to the largest galaxy, everything has its place in this grand cosmic ballet. Which of these space facts fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep looking up.